Thank you for choosing Armina stone to bring the beauty of natural stone and quartz into your home. We look forward to creating your beautiful, customized countertops. At this point in the process, you've already chosen your stone from our selection. If you have questions about your project, please feel free to contact us before moving further. This video will help summarize the recommended steps so that we can deliver your countertops with accuracy, precision, and efficiency. Prior to templating, all cabinets, dishwasher, and finished panels must be installed, secured, and leveled. These steps need to be completed before the template process can happen. We can template with existing countertops in place. However, the surfaces must be completely cleared for your appointment. If you have existing tops, we are unable to verify if the cabinets are level. If we template with countertops on, you must check that the cabinets are leveled. If you are getting new cabinets, make sure they are leveled before the template person arrives. If the templater arrives and the new cabinets are not level within 1/4 inch, we will be unable to complete the template. Sinks and cooktops must be on-site for the template. If you're purchasing your sink through Armina Stone, the sink will be noted for our templater and not necessary to be on-site. Cast iron farm sinks, cast iron undermounts, and all undermount farm sinks must be installed in their permanent position prior to the template. If not confirmed and changed at template, all sinks will have a 1/4 inch overhang. Island and peninsula overhangs beyond the standard 1.5 inches must be confirmed at time of template. Additional supports may be necessary and can be discussed at this time. If you're choosing a mitered edge, the preparations will be discussed at template. All decisions are firm and cannot be changed after the template is complete. A decision maker over the age of 18 must be present to sign. Thank you again for choosing Armina Stone. We look forward to working with you on your amazing project.